All right, so imagine this. You're wasting all of your time, 20 plus hours per week, making sure that your content is aesthetically pleasing. It's nice to watch, but at the end of the day, you're spinning your wheels, wasting all your time and energy, and you're not getting any people to convert into clients. Now, this happens to many creators and business owners where they're making all of this content, spending all their time making sure that it looks the best that it can. And I'm here to tell you right now that every single person has reached this point where they've realized it's about the value over the quality of the video itself. You're not getting any DMs, you're not getting any clients or booked calls, and I'm going to teach you in this video how to fix that. So this is a new concept for many people that they've never heard before, and I was in the same exact boat. I was making tons of content with no direction, purpose, clear messaging, or calls to action. In other words, you had no strategy. And that's exactly what I did, and it got me hardly anywhere. In the last almost 4 years, I have started Howdy Media from the ground up, which is a company that does video production as well as content strategy and consulting. I've found these tools and developed these systems, and I just have to get it out there and share this with the world, and that includes you. I feel like I would be doing a disservice to my community if I didn't share what I knew and how to do it, because it has transformed my business and my life in order to where I don't have to make cold calls. I don't have to be putting out Facebook ads constantly. Now, there are times and places to do that, but 95% of my traffic and my leads come from my organic content from YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. So here's the biggest differences between the content that gets clients and the content that doesn't. Number one, your content must speak to a problem. What problem are you trying to solve? Whether it's a service, whether it's education or entertainment, whatever it is you're trying to sell, what is the problem that you're solving? Are you trying to get more clients in the door? Whatever it is, you have to solve a problem in order for people to see it as valuable. And number two, it must present yourself as a guide and an expert in your niche and your field. I'm going to emphasize you have to be a guide, not just an expert. And number three, you have to include some sort of call to action or CTA. Now, I'm not talking about going and adding a call to action to every single thing you put out onto the internet, because guess what? People are going to get annoyed. But the main pieces of content that you're going to be putting out, if you have a webinar coming up, if you have a course, if you have a new product coming out, you're going to want to put a call to action at least somewhere in the description or your bio, and make sure to mention it in your videos. Most people miss steps 2 and 3. You're educating, but not inviting, or you're entertaining, but not converting. And without a system behind the content that you're actually producing, you're basically just throwing up a Hail Mary and hoping that somebody catches the ball, or AKA books a meeting or buys your product. So I hope this video gave you some guidance, and it's meant to be really quick. Listen, if you're tired of posting and not profiting off of this content that you're spending hours on, I'm actually hosting a 5-day challenge to make sure you get to the next level, where I'm going to show you all of the systems and all the strategies that I've used here at Howdy Media, as well as for many of our clients. I'll walk you through the exact systems that I use to create high converting leads from my organic content. You're also going to learn how to build a lead funnel. If you've never heard what a lead funnel is, this is a huge concept that you do not want to miss out on. And what this will do, it'll set you up to where you're actually getting clients without having to chase them down. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button, leave a comment if you learned something, and we will see you in the challenge.